It's open. You want me to do it? Alright.
Do you open the box?
Alright, just hold the camera.
Okay.
This is the fun part. Once you cook.
This is the fun part?
Nah, dear, just, that's my box. Never sell it. A little damage. That's my scratch. That's what makes this one unique.
Got
Let's
it.
see what's in here.
Oh, let's pull that off. Oh, so you don't know what you're getting?
I don't know what I'm getting.
Oh, do you want me to come from the other side? Or you're
That's
good here?
okay. No, just gonna take it off. There's just a surprise item in here. Just want to unbox it on video.
You're okay.
$3 or two. Candy bars. I don't know what that is. That's something. I think that's a certificate and fabric of some kind. Very nice plating. Magnets too. So, that's not even on the outside. It's a little might be missing an item. It might be missing an item. That's why I want you guys to open it. It might be missing an item.
Okay. Can I stop your video?
Yeah, stop the video.
Okay.